Now, today we are going to the part number 24 of the biological classification. Previously studied about the protista, what are the major characteristics of protista. Now, today we are going to the part of the first photosynthetic protist. Photosynthetic protist had divided into three parts. First is the chrysophytes, second is the dinoflagellates, and third is the euglenoids. Now we will take up first chrysophytes, and further chrysophytes is divided into two forms, two types. First is the diatoms and second the dasmids. Now we will take a new topics. Our today is now the chrysophytes. What is a chrysophyte? Chrysophyte, the major characteristics like that. These groups include diatoms and golden algae. Diatoms and golden algae are known as the dasmids. Okay. Second is they are found in the freshwater as well as the marine environment. Means that the chrysophytes, diatoms, and dasmids are found in the freshwater environment as well as the marine water environment. Okay. Microscopic fluid passively on the water current is the plankton. Means that they are present on the over the water surface in form of the plankton, zooplankton as well as the plant plankton. But we will talk about the photosynthetic, so known as the plant plankton. Now, reserve food material is the oil and a polysaccharide with the chrysolaminarian and also called the leucosin. The leucosin is the reserve food material of the chrysophytes. Okay. In diatoms, the cell wall form the two thin overlapping cell with the fit together in the soft box. Means that the soft box upper part and lower part in between soft means soft box upper and lower part. Upper part is known as the epitheca and lower part is known as the hypotheca. That's clear. Wall embedded in the with the silica, thus the wall is the indestructible. Very important. Its wall, the cell wall have the silica, means that the silica is due to the presence of the silica wall are the indestructible, means इसको अपन तोड़ नहीं सकते and undestructible है, destructible नहीं है. Now diatom have the left behind the large amount of the cell wall deposit in their habitat, and this accumulation over the billions of years is referred to diatomeous earth. Means that when diatoms are dead, then these diatoms are settled down at the bottom in marine or freshwater environment. Okay, here the presence of the silica in the cell wall that's forming after the millions years known as the diatomeous earth. Means the forming the hills like structure on the base of the on the base of the water. We can say at the bottom of the marine and freshwater environment water body. This hips like structure, this hill like structure formed by the silica. That's a silica presence in the cell wall is known as the diatomeous earth. Means this diatomeous are the important. This diatomeous are important and used in the polishing when we take out and are used in the polishing and filtration of the oil, syrup, and diatom are the chief producer in the ocean. Means that these are the chief producer in the ocean. Okay, that's our producer. That means that they are a photosynthetic, have a pigment that performing photosynthetic reaction. Means that the in marine environment and as well as the freshwater environment produce energy to the other organism, produce the food the other organism. Okay. Now we will take a first. What is diatom? Now chrysophyte divided into two parts. First is the diatoms. What are the major and basic characteristics of the diatoms? First, we will talk about the habit and habitat. So, First, aquatic and moist terrestrial habitat. Okay, free floating by mucilage secretion and presence of the lightweight lipid and bottom dwellers. We can say that the floating means that it's have the lipid, so forming so beginning is the light weighting and the presence of light, they perform the photosynthetic reactions. So gliding movement type of the, that's a, the movement type is the gliding, and the gliding is the, अपन कह सकते हैं exactly लुढ़कना, लुढ़क कर, but with the help of the mucilage. Mucilage is the attachment to the water surface. Okay, it's like that. I have examples like this. Suppose that is the water body and the surface. Here mucilage secreted, that is the uh, attached to the water surface, and these here again attach here, then move, again attach here, then move, again attach here, then move, again attach here, and so on. So that's a type of the gliding type of movement on the over of the water surface. When the die, we already know about that. When the day they die, जब ये मरते हैं, the form of the big hips called the diatomite or diatomeous earth. ओके, जब भी ये मरेंगे, मरने के बाद वाटर की तली के अंदर जाके सेटल डाउन हो जाते हैं, और बाद में अपन इसको निकाल कर यूज एज अ फिल्ट्रेशन, पॉलीसीन एंड पेंटिंग मटेरियल. ओके, we discuss this later in details. Okay, now next topic, structure. What are the structures of the diatoms? Let's see. Body cover the transparent siliceous cell. Siliceous means that silica, and presence of the cell wall in the silica. Silica deposited in the cell wall is known as the frustulate. Frustulate is that the porous structure. Okay, porous structure, porous, tiny pores, like that. Okay, here something like that, known as the porous structure. Okay. Next, frustule is made up of the two valve. Upper is apitheca and lower is hypotheca, like that. Upper part and lower part, and that form a groove. Here presence of the flagella. We will talk about later, about the flagella. At the apitheca, upper part, and lower part is the hypotheca. Okay. Frustulate possess the marking peats, pore, and reeds. We already know. Means pores, reeds, and markings are present in the frustulate. Do not possess flagella except in the reproductive stage. The very important means that this structured diatoms are not possessed of flagella, means the non-motile, but in reproductive stage, the presence of the flagella. Diatoms are two types based on the symmetry, pinnate and centric. Let's see, pinnate diatoms show the bilateral symmetry, means that when we divide the centrally divided into left and right half. Example is the navicula. And second is the centric diatom, so radial symmetry when we divide or when we pass a plane passing through cut through the any direction, any plane divided into two equal half, known as the Melosira. Okay. Now next, contain chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C pigment, and extra additional and accessory pigment. Fucoxanthin is the brown algae type of pigment that provide the brownish tiny. Means that the fucoxanthin is present in the fungi. We will talk about later in the chapter number 3, plant kingdom. Okay, so the fungi, algae, we will talk about the algae in the plant kingdom. Algae means that this algae have a, means brown algae have a fucoxanthin, but diatom also have this type of pigment, so that diatoms appears look like a brownish color. Okay, because of that having the fucoxanthin. xanthin pigment. Next, reproduction. Which type of reproduction presents here? Multiplication. Simple type of reproduction, multiplication by binary fission. And next, resting spores and statospores are present. In that, resting spore, its stage is the resting phase. When unfavorable conditions come, these resting spores, statospores, are developed into a new organism. Meiosis is the gametic type, means that here the end phase in the life cycle is long. Sexual reproduction is the isogamy type to zoogamy, means that the similar gamete fuse, known as the isogamy. Later, male gamete are motile and uniflagellate. We already talked about that. ओके अपने बात की थी एग्जैक्टली कि ये नॉन मोटाइल स्ट्रक्चर डाइटम्स बट single flagella are present in the structure of the reproductive structure known as the gamete form of one flagellates. Fertilization produce the zygote which grow in the size and form a rejuvenation means that when the fertilization take place form a zygote, this zygote grow in size and form a new structures known as the rejuvenescent. This is called the oxospore. है? ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम्स के अंदर, बिल्कुल क्लियर करना है. And next, what are the examples of the diatoms? First is the Triceratium, Plerosigma, Navicula, Cymbala, Amphipleura. That's all are examples of the diatoms. Okay, clear? Good. Now, next is the what are the economic importance of the diatoms? The very important slide. First, important to the photosynthesite, perform the photosynthetic reaction that produce the food. That's we all already know about that. You known as the producer. Eh? Source of food, aquatic animals means that the items are source of food of the other animals. That example means 60-ton blue whale. 60 ton of blue whale have 2 ton of diatoms. 2 ton of diatoms in form of the plankton. मीन्स कहेंगे 60 टन की वेट की अगर ब्लू व्हेल की बात करें तो हैव द 2 टन ऑफ द डाइटम. ओके. Oil extracted from some fishes, whales are actually one produced by diatom. Means that अपन को अच्छे से पता है कि बहुत बड़े बड़े मराइन समुद्र के अंदर ऑयल्स के बड़े बड़े आपको पता होगा शिप खड़े रहते हैं. वो शिप क्या करते हैं? माइनिंग, ऑयल माइनिंग करते हैं सीज के अंदर से. वेयर आई गेट ऑयल? द ऑयल गेट फ्रॉम द फिशेज एंड whales. बट फिशेज एंड whales में कहां से आया? Because of that, fishes and whales are depend on as a food source of the diatom. Means oil and fishes and whales have the diatoms. When the fishes and whales are died, the diatoms are present in the fishes and whales, and eventually millions year the forming the oil. Okay. Diatomaceous is the porous, used in the filtration of the sugar, important alcohol, oil, syrup, antibiotic formation. Okay, diatomite is the cleaning agent in the toothpaste and metal polishes and in tooth आपके दांत साफ करने के लिए भी ये आपके उसके अंदर क्लीनिंग एजेंट के फॉर्म में ऐड किया जाता है. आपके कौन? डाइटेमाइट, डाइटेमियस अर्थ, डाइटेमियस. ओके. एंड मेटल पॉलिशेस के फॉर्म में. ऑल्सो एड टू द पेंट फॉर द एनहांसिंग नाइट विजिबिलिटी. नाइट के टाइम के अंदर कोई अगर आपको घर या कोई आपका विजुअल हो रहा है, अपन को अच्छा अपन को रखना चाहिए कि अपना घर नाइट में भी चमके, तो अपन क्या मिलाते हैं उसके अंदर? डाइटेमाइट मिलाते हैं पेंट के अंदर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज insulation material in the refrigerator, boiler, and furnaces means that this diatomite used as an insulator means that this provide the constant exactly known as the refrigerator and boiler from the electric against work at the against electricity. इसमें अपन को करंट वगैरह कुछ नहीं आता है ना, इसके अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो सकती. Now, diatomaceous earth is added to make the soundproof room, making a soundproof room for the voice singer and the mega cinemas are formed by the diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous is the good industrial catalyst, means that this diatomaceous are responsible for the uh, uh, fastening and slowing of the reaction. And next, diatomaceous source of water glass and the sodium silicate means the formation of the glass through the diatomite. And the very good important, very important, a very good pollution indicator. Very good pollution indicator means that here where diatoms are grow, known as this environment where they grow, where that grow, known as the pollution. where where have a pollution, तो अपन कहेंगे जहाँ ये आपके ग्रो करेगा वो एरिया नो आपके माना जाएगा पॉल्यूटेड. तो सो known as the pollution indicators. Yeah. Next, desmid. The second part of the chrysophyte body. The desmid. Let's see. Unicellular green algae. Okay. Important part. Outer wall of the cell with the mucilage in a sheet which is throughout to play a role in the cell slow gliding movement. Simple. The outer wall of the cell produce the have the mucilaginous sheet. This sheet help in the moving and locomotion. Okay, very important. Next is known as the sexual reproduction. Which type of sexual reproductions? Conjugation. We already know conjugation is the not a pure sexual reproduction, it's a gene recombination. We will already discussed the in the bacterial reproduction in the spirogala like to the. Okay, hope so आपको पूरा ये समझ में आ गया होगा क्राइसोफाइट्स क्या है, व्हाट आर द बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ क्राइसोफाइट्स. ओके, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद, और कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो कमेंट में कमेंट बॉक्स करें.